Today, I am going to pretend to be a foreigner, and out of 76 provinces in Thailand, we decided to celebrate Songkran Festival or Thai New Year in Chiang Mai. And I think we made the right decision. We got to watch one of the most beautiful Thai dances, Fon Leb, and I almost got put into Thai wheel. Let's see how our Songkran goes.
Good morning from Chiang Mai. Today is the first day of Songkran.
Yeah!
And we're walking to get breakfast. And today's breakfast is ice cream.
We shall see if we survive.
And then where are we going?
Tha Pae. So people at the hotel suggested us to come here because it's a busier area. So that's where we're heading to. Ooh, looking like it's already, like, the road's already crazy. Today, I am gonna play a foreigner role. I am not gonna speak a single word in Thai. Whenever, I'm gonna pretend like I know a little bit of Thai, but my Thai is really good. Let's see how that goes on a Songkran day.
So Ma thought I was kidding about ice cream for breakfast, but
he was serious. It is not really breakfast, it's like 11:30.
it's our first meal of the day, so I think it qualifies as breakfast.
What is it again? Banana paradise?
Yeah.
How good is it?
Really good.
And I've got mango paradise. It's got the crispy rice with sea salt, ice cream, and coconut ice cream, and mango. It is sea salt for me. Salt for life.
What color?
Big enough? Oh yeah,
Red
I like the
yellow.
yellow.
Or blue and yellow?
That one it is.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
For the bad boy.
Hopefully it works.
Not many people are splashing water right now, and my ass is soaked because CJ has been splashing water from the water bottle on my ass unnecessarily. Ooh. CJ is currently stealing government water on a fountain. It is hot AF. Alright, CJ's beating. I don't know. Oh, he's running away. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! We made new friends.
What up?
What's the name again? No, JB. JB, Dawes, and Steve.
Ma?
Yes, Mom.
Hell yeah.
We're getting water guns right now. We are creating an army, aren't we?
It's gonna get weird soon.
It's weird in what way?
It's gonna be fun.
Okay. And everyone is stealing water from the government.
Don't bring a people to a gunfight. You're in so much trouble, kid.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Got him.
Thai people celebrate this, or is this just for white people?
We do celebrate it.
Just for the foreigners, it seems.
This year is a little bit different, so. Steve, we don't got all day.
What?
We don't got all day.
Oh no! It takes forever to fill it.
So we was just at the parade and the cops came to me speaking Thai, and I pretended like I didn't speak that. Who is shooting me right now? Ah! And then I said, what? And then he said, speak Thai in English. And I was like, a little bit, and then he walked away. I am assuming that they don't want people splashing water there, because they were talking to each other in Thai, but I understand that the people splashing and playing gun, a lot of them are playing gun right now, but they let us go. I guess my non-Thai action was good.
That was a good fake out. There you go.
Oh, he's got a hold of
I'm done. You got
one. You
Got me!
We're gonna have to get more ammo!
I'm having performance issues.
since I got yelled at for wearing short shorts. My ass can't be in the TV. So
she's going to Thai hell.
I have been going to Thai hell. You think I fit in? I don't think anyone is gonna come and get my ass again. This is taking pictures. They're using manual labor. Oh, they're falling down or what?
Yeah, the wheels are cool.
No, up there. representative. Loud music, fun.
Damn, that was a brand new ice cold bottle of water.
These Farahs are fucking everyone up. They're right here. They're right there. Watch out, your He said thank you, but not now.
Damn! Your weaponry is superior! Why am I having so much trouble?
CJ's getting his ammo. What is happening?
Just so you know, I fear nothing. All it takes is one squirt. Sounds like a...
I am soaked. I am soaked. How are you? Good? Okay? Okay. Hello. You're coming back. You're having too much fun. You want to be alive with me. I'm gonna get out. Should I get you? Yes. How about this baby? You want to get out and she can jump water on you? Here, on your feet. I don't want to cry. I think the cops are getting us. We should walk away. I think we should walk away. Okay, so it is 8 p.m. for us right now. It was a little bit disappointing that not many things were happening. CJ and his new friends were having fun shooting people. He's still having fun, and no one here is playing anymore. Alright, he's like harassing people, and I am not supporting this. But
I'm like a little kid with a water gun. You can't stop me.
we had our dinner, and what is this going on?
I'm having too much fun.
So tomorrow we are heading to Ayutthaya, and hopefully there's more things happening. Right now we're just gonna call it, not to call it a day. Of course we have like hours ahead of us, but I'm gonna call it.
We have many more Chang to drink.
Oh my god. But we are gonna call it, we're gonna end the video right here, and I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.
Oh,
Bye bye.